Fontana Dam, also known as Fontana Village, is a town in Grant County, North Carolina, United States. Fontana Dam is located on North Carolina Highway 28 near the Fontana Dam and the Little Tennessee River. Construction began in 1942, and because of the urgent need for electric power during World War II, it was finished in just 36 months.
Guess where we are, everybody? We're on top of the Fontana Dam. Love it. What do you think about the Fontana Dam?
It's beautiful. It's big.
Now, the water behind us is the high side. We'll take you to the other side and so you can look down. Let's just walk over there.
The other side.
And here is the side that goes down and down.
The dam is 480 feet high, the equivalent of a 50-story skyscraper, and 2,365 feet in length. Fontana is the tallest dam in the eastern United States. Today was a short riding day. We wanted to do a little relaxing before getting back on the road. It was also the only time we did our laundry of our 10-day adventure. So what better way to relax but by the river at the beautiful Tapoco Lodge that we were staying at.
You're gonna lose your shoes.
1, 2. Which is cold.
See, watch your chancletas.
Oh, nice.
Oh my God, I see Julio going down the river.
Your glasses. Oh, you're coming out all the way down there.
Hey, don't do this. I'm not driving. You're gonna pick up my... Yeah. Julio, please.
How are you doing, you and everybody? Is that big?
Come on, don't do it. I'll tell you one thing, I won't stop filming because I can't save you.
one thing that I learned throughout my life is, it's not the destinations that you reach that are the most important. It's the journey that you take with others that create the best memories. Stay tuned for day 6 of our motorcycle road trip, where we travel through one of our top favorite roads on this adventure and end up in Helen, Georgia.